Reborn through the scriptures, the many facets make me a sculptor, painted by my own imagination. I remain patient, diligent, and so we wait. The onset or congregation brought on by the elements. Crouching in my surroundings, adamant to not miss a hint, for my thoughts to succinct and prolong, never become extinct. To whatever world I create, let it relate, let it excel with prorate, never miss a beat, to never skip a treat, those finite gems, it makes life worth living, for us to thrive in. If only, but lend an ear, listen to my story, the feet to every line. I'm inclined to remain kind, if only to allow thee to find the not so convoluted times which are certain to give trinkets every time. Let it breathe, internalize the need to succumb. We are all creatures of periods, weighed and found to be profound. As indicated, you'd see indicated in the title, I'm speaking on nature taking its course, more so than moments, for they make us more than we could ever have fathomed we could be. We grow through the times or periods soiled of torment in a way, or uncomfortable in the midst of discomfort, so to speak. The message being, don't throw away the moments or discard the process, for they're more important. They're more important than the destination, if not just as important. All right, guys, as you know, I've had my book out recently, so Poetry Journal, Growing Pains. I would love for you to check this out, so please find it on Amazon now. Poetry Journal, Growing Pains. That's Poetry Journal, Growing Pains by Alex Murdoch. If you check my profile page, I'm sure you find there's more books available. But also, should you have any feedback about any books that you've read that I've written, or questions pertaining to this podcast, don't be shy. Feel free to contact on any platform, because any platform I have, because I pay attention to all of them, but more so Instagram, because I'm very quick with Instagram to reply. So that's Poetry Journal, at Poetry Journal. And yeah, and thanks for listening. Stay tuned. Of course, expect me back next week with some more content, and hopefully you'll enjoy this and what's to come.